welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be installing the Burp Suite on my macOS and configuring it so that we can capture all the requests using the proxy and the other features of Burp Suite. Okay, so the first step we have to do is to download the Burp Suite. Now there are two versions of the Burp Suite that we can install, the 1.x and 2.x, but I am going with the version 1.x as there are some features like spider which is missing in 2.x. So let's get started. So first I'm going to be downloading the Burp Suite. So Burp Suite 1.7 I'm going to download. There are two versions, one is professional version and one is community version. The professional version requires the license and it's paid, so we can't download that. So let's go to the community version. I click on this and this is my Mac OS X and I download it. I will install it in the desktop. So now it's quickly downloaded. Now let's do the setup. I will double click to install, click on open. Next, I'm going to be installing the applications. I have the required space. Okay. Now the Burp Suite setup is completed. I will close this and I will close the browser. Now let's open the Burp Suite. So I will be creating a temporary project for now and will use all the Burp default settings to start the Burp. Great, so our Burp Suite has been installed very quickly. Now let's set up for proxies. We are going to do a proxy options and here we have by default 127.0.0.1 colon 8080, that is the loopback IP with the 8080 port. The HTTPS installed and we can use the HTTPS for the setup. Let's export the CA certificate so that we can run HTTPS also with the proxy. So here I will export it in DER format, that is the standard format. Next, now I'm going to be giving the path. So here I am, users, personal. Let's do it in downloads. We have to give the access and we have to give the file name, Burp proxy, and just save it. .der, I guess. Yes, this is a DER file. So the certificate has been exported successfully. Let's close it and let's export it in our keychain. Let's go to the keychain version, utilities. You will find the keychain access. Here we will have to create a new certificate so that we can have the HTTPS. Let's go there. This is a TR file. Right now this is a cross, that means it's not trusted. We have to mark it as trusted. So we go to trust and always trust. Now we will close this. It will ask for our laptop password. Let's give that and update the settings. Now if you see here, there was a cross which turned to plus. That means now we are good to go with the CA certificate. So now we will install the Foxy proxy. So that is used for redirecting our all the proxies through Burp Suite. So we will be using Foxy proxy Chrome. Since we are using the Chrome, you can do the same for Firefox. Let's install this extension, add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so the Foxy proxy has been installed. Now let's quickly do a setup of Foxy proxy. Before that, it has started and it is saying thank you for installing for the Chrome, but we don't require this anymore. So let's do an extensions Foxy proxy. You can otherwise you can do extensions starting from settings, extensions, and this Foxy proxy. So now we have the extensions here. Now we will configure it. So we'll go to the options, add a new proxy, and we will give the proxy details that we took it from Burp Suite. That is this one. So 127.0.0.1 port 8080. We will give it a name, Burp Suite proxy, and save it. Now you can either do this proxy or you can do a system setup of proxies, but that will be a huge hassle in forward, so we will just be using Foxy proxy. So now we have done Foxy proxy and other setups. Now let's run our website and see if it is working with the proxy. We'll do google.com. Okay, so this worked, but we are not using any proxy, so it is right now disabled Foxy proxy. So that's why it didn't go through the Burp Suite proxy. Now let's use proxy and again reload this site. Now as you see, this is not going through right now. So we have here proxy and the intercept is on. So the google.com website is going through the Burp Suite proxy, and our proxy and the Foxy proxy setup is working fine. So we'll just do intercept off and the site is working fine. So here in few simple steps we have installed our Burp Suite and have done all the setup. If you like this video, please hit like and share and also comment so that I can make similar videos in the future.